Hi, my name is William and I'm doing a Bachelor of Arts at UWA, and I've taken up a broadening unit in philosophy, so you're coming to my first class with me. So I'm just about to head into my first lecture for the year. I'm really excited to find out what uni life is like. I better go. So that was my first philosophy lecture. I had a really great time and I'm looking forward to the semester. Mr. Rubin is a really enthusiastic lecturer and I recommend philosophy as a broadening unit.